Hi guys, so today we are going to start important topic from the dental cement, that is zinc oxide eugenol cement. This is the zinc oxide eugenol cement which is available in various form. Now we will start from the introduction. This cement is used extensively in dentistry since 1890s. 90s. Depending on their use, they vary widely in their properties. So this cement is used extensively since 1890s. Depending on their property, depending on their use, they vary widely in their properties. This cement has low strength. So this is the low strength type of cement. This is least irritating of all dental cement. So this is very important differentiating point between zinc oxide eugenol cement and other cement. This is least irritating of all dental cement. So remember this point. Have an obtundant or sedative effect on exposed dentin. So this is also important point. These cements have an sedative effect on the exposed dentin. To improve this strength, many modified zinc oxide eugenol cement have been introduced. So low strength is one of the disadvantage of this cement. So to improve the strength, many modified zinc oxide eugenol cements have been introduced, like EBA alumina modified and polymer reinforced zinc oxide eugenol cement. So orthoethoxybenzoic acid alumina modified and polymer reinforced zinc oxide eugenol cements are new cements which have high strength than the zinc oxide eugenol cement. We will discuss these modifications of zinc oxide cements in upcoming videos. Non-eugenol zinc oxide cements also available. So non-eugenol type of cements are also available, and these cements are suitable for patients sensitive to eugenol. So this is about the introduction of zinc oxide eugenol cement, used extensively in dentistry since 1890s. Depending on their use, they vary widely in their properties. These cements have low strength. These are least irritating of all dental cement. They have obtundant effect on exposed dentin. To improve the strength, many modified zinc oxide eugenol cements have been introduced, like EBA alumina modified and polymer reinforced zinc oxide eugenol cement. Non-eugenol zinc oxide cements are also available, and these cements are suitable for patients sensitive to eugenol. So this is about the introduction. Now we will talk about the classification of zinc oxide eugenol cement. In 2011, I also given the classification of this cement in 2011, that is type 1 and type 2. So type 1 cements are used for temporary cementation. So type 1 cements are used only for temporary cementation, and type 2 cements used for bases and temporary restoration. So type 2 cements are used for temporary restoration as well as bases. But the previous classification, but according to ISO 2014, they classified these cements into 4 types, that is type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. Type 1 is further divided into class 1 and class 2. Type 1 zinc oxide eugenol cements are used for temporary cementation. Type 1 is classified into class 1. So class 1 cements are the setting cement. Class 2 cements are the non-setting cement. Type 2 zinc oxide eugenol cements are used for permanent restoration. Type 3 zinc oxide eugenol cements are used as bases and temporary restoration. And type 4 zinc oxide eugenol cements are used as cavity liners. So this is the oldest classification, and newer classification is type 1 and type 2. Type 1 are used for temporary cementation and type 2 for bases and temporary restoration. This is about the classification. So we will discuss it again. In 2011, ISO classified zinc oxide eugenol cement into 2 types, type 1, type 2. Type 1 is used for temporary cementation. Type 2 is used as bases and temporary restoration. And the oldest classification is type 1 zinc oxide eugenol cements, which are used for temporary cementation. Class 1 is setting cement. Class 2 is non-setting cement. Type 2 zinc oxide eugenol cement are used for permanent cementation. Type 3 zinc oxide eugenol cements are used as bases and for temporary restoration. And type 4 zinc oxide eugenol cements are used for cavity liners. So this is all about the classification. Now the representative commercial names. So the type 1 unmodified. So type 1 unmodified zinc oxide eugenol cement is temp bond. So remember this name. These names are very important in your practical examination. Spots of zinc oxide eugenol cement will be given to you, and you have to identify which type of cement it is. So you have to read the name, name given on the box, or so remember it. So type 1 unmodified zinc oxide eugenol cement is temp bond. Type 2 unmodified zinc oxide eugenol cement is DPI zinc oxide or Cavitec, also known as CARE. Type 1 EBA modified zinc oxide cement is not there. Type 2 EBA modified zinc oxide eugenol cement is super EBA. So we will discuss about EBA in upcoming videos. Now the type 1 polymer modified zinc oxide eugenol cement is temp bond, clear. Type 2 polymer modified zinc oxide cement is IRM and calcinol. So we will discuss about polymer modified cement in upcoming videos. Now the non-eugenol type of type 1 cement is non-eugenol zone free eugenol temp bond. So this is about the representative name. So in this video we are going to discuss only about unmodified cement. So this is the zinc oxide. This is the picture of zinc oxide eugenol cements. So this is the temp bond type of cement, that is CARE. So this is the Cavitec or CARE. This is the zinc oxide eugenol cement. So these are the commercial names of zinc oxide eugenol cement. So what are the commercial names? Type 1 unmodified zinc oxide eugenol cement is temp bond. Type 2 unmodified zinc oxide cement is DPI zinc oxide or Cavitec or CARE. So we will discuss about EBA modified, polymer modified and non-eugenol cements in upcoming video. Now the composition of zinc oxide eugenol cement. So as we know, zinc oxide eugenol cement is available in powder and liquid system. So powder will act, and we have discussed in the introduction of this dental cement that this is the acid base type of cement. So powder will act as a base and liquid will act as an acid. So powder consists of zinc oxide, which is present in 69 weight percent, which is the principal ingredient. So which is the principal ingredient? Zinc oxide. White rosin, which is present in 29.3 weight percent. This will reduce the brittleness of the set cement. So white rosin will reduce the brittleness of the set cement. Zinc stearate, which is present in 1 weight percent. This is the accelerator or plasticizer. Zinc acetate is present in 0.7 weight percent. This is also accelerator, and this will improve the strength. Magnesium oxide is added in some powders, acts with eugenol in similar manner as zinc oxide. So this magnesium oxide will act in similar manner as the zinc oxide, and this is added in added only in some powders. So this is the composition of powder. So powder will act as base. Powder consists of zinc oxide, white rosin, zinc stearate, zinc acetate, magnesium oxide. Zinc oxide is present in 69 weight percent. This is the principal ingredient. White rosin is present in 29.3 weight percent. This will reduce the brittleness of set cement. Zinc stearate is present in 1 weight percent. This will act as plasticizer or accelerator. Zinc acetate is present in 0.7 weight percent. This is also accelerator, and this will improve the strength of the cement. Magnesium oxide is added in some powders, acts with eugenol in similar manner as the zinc oxide. So this is all about the composition of powder. Now the composition of liquid. So liquid will act as acid. So liquid consists of eugenol, which is present in 85 weight percent. This will react with the zinc oxide. So this eugenol will react with the zinc oxide, which is present in the powder, and olive oil, which is present in 15 weight percent. This will act as a plasticizer. So this is the composition of liquid. Liquid consists of eugenol, which is present in 85 weight percent. This will react with the zinc oxide, which is present in the powder, and olive oil, which is present in 15 weight percent. This will act as a plasticizer. So this is about the introduction, classification, representative, commercial names, and composition of the zinc oxide eugenol cement.